Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And now you can install wallet. Or use Google Pay in its standard version. From the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, manage your passes, and check quick tips. Also, you can add passes like transport pass, loyalty, and gift card. From the menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can manage payment manager, password manager, and check full list of participating banks. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In help and feedback, you can check FAQ, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.